Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new guide video. Today, let's take a look at the way that you fix the YouTube Shorts not appearing in feed. Now, there could be a couple of reasons why this may be happening. Let me show you a couple of common things that. So firstly, make sure that your video is under 60 seconds. And also you'll need to change your aspect ratio to a 9:16. Otherwise, the shorts will not be visible. So what I mean is, normally when you head over to your shorts feed inside of YouTube, you can see the video is in a vertical format. So make sure while you edit, your video is also in a vertical format, meaning in a 9:16 by aspect ratio. Also, make sure to include the hashtag shorts in the title or description to ensure that the video is highlighted or taken or visible inside of the shorts format. Also, other couple solutions that you can try out is try to clear the data and cache of your YouTube app. So what you can do is tap and hold the app of YouTube and then head over to app info. From this settings page, what you can do is tap on the clear data option and then tap on clear all data. So yeah, by doing these couple of things, you should be able to fix the YouTube Shorts not appearing in feed error. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you in the next one.